Hello everyone. So today what I'm going to show you is a quick tip which will help you clean your database very quickly. So suppose you have a list of employee names in this format in which you can see that all the names are in capital letter and you want to have it in the proper format in which only the first letter of the first name, middle name or the last name is in capital. So in such case, the formula which we use is equal to proper. So proper formula helps naming the employees in the proper format. So you write equals to proper and then you just click the first name and you close the bracket and enter. So you can see that your name has the first name has come in the proper format and you just now double click the small black arrow, the plus sign, and all your names will come in the proper format. So this really comes handy when you have to clean your database. Now you can see that it is coming as a formula. So you just control shift, select all the values and then control C, right click, paste as values. So now your names are in the proper text format. Now the second thing which I'm going to show you is how to separate this name as first name, middle name and last name. Okay. So for this what we are going to do is again control shift drop down and we are selecting all the data. Now we are going to the data from the top bar data and then you go to text to column. When you click on text to column, you choose this option delimited. Click next. Now from here you choose delimiter as space because our first name, middle name and last name are separated by space. So that's how the Excel will identify that what is your delimiter. So we will uncheck this tab and we will only get space. And in the preview option also you can see that how it will look. Now you just click next. Now it is asking for the destination folder. So your destination will be C2, which is here. So it will automatically come here and just press finish. And you can see that very quickly your data, the first name, middle name has been set. So I hope this easy trick will come in handy for you and you will be using these two formulas. One is the proper formula and other is the text to column function in order to clean your database. Thank you.